Hello, today I am going to teach you how to fix phone to laptop or PC USB connection problem. To begin with, connect your phone USB cable to your laptop or PC. If it doesn't show up in your file explorer, then press Windows+D to move to your desktop. On the desktop, press Windows+S. In the search box below, type Device Manager, and click on Device Manager. Hover and select Portable Device. Click on the small greater than symbol. Right-click and select Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer for driver software. Now select Let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer. Check Show Compatible Hardware. Select MTP USB device, and click Next. Restart your laptop or PC. Bingo! Your phone USB cable connection problem is solved. You can also leave a comment in the description below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.